Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend, and this is Prince here, your trading friend. So friends, if at all you are aware of all the option Greeks and if you are advanced option trader, then I recommend you to skip this video because I am going to touch upon the options Greeks basic, and this is something for people those who are new to options and also those who are beginners in option, because I had committed that I'll be teaching basics of option, and also it is not going to be very theoretical. I'll be explaining very practical things, and the concept which I'm going to explain today is the one of the most important concept, the concept which many people use to make lots of money. That is nothing but theta. Okay, so people those who are new to options and people those who are beginners in options, stay tuned till end of the video because I'll be giving full updates about theta. I'll give you advantages of using theta, how we can use theta to make mint money, how is that option sellers are making huge money just by by just checking the theta. I'll also show you few practical examples, few pictures as well. So many things, lots of things are available in this video. So stay tuned till end of the video. You will be getting full updates. Before going forward, people those who have still not opened Upstock, it's a very good trading platform. I have done all my live trades in Upstock and I had uploaded on YouTube channel as well. It has got inbuilt option chain with option Greeks and all those data is available. So you don't have to subscribe or you don't have to pay anything extra and subscribe to any other app or website or anything of that sort. So it's all completely free. So don't make use of this facility. And also they are providing very good offer till 31st July. They are providing free demat and trading account, and as well as zero brokerage for 30 days, as well as one beginner's course and also premium membership in Stockage. So use the link which I have provided in the description of this video, and also don't forget to join my Telegram channel for regular updates and learnings as well. Both the links are available in the description of my video. Okay, so let me just explain to you the definition and then I will give you examples so that you'll get a very good clarity. Theta measures the rate of time decay in the value of an option or its premium. Time decay represents the erosion of an option's value or price due to the passage of time. Okay, in simple words, to tell you, I don't want to go by the definitions or I don't want to be exactly telling you what exactly theta is. To make you understand in a very simple sentence, I would tell you that if you buy an option and if it is presently at 100 rupees or 200 rupees or 300 rupees, you can see that by end of expiry it almost comes down to zero if it is out of the money. Okay, that is nothing because of theta. The theta value, the time decay happens with time. As we move towards the expiry, the value becomes zero. So remember, once I had made a video telling that if at all you're buying a stock or a future, either the stock is going to up, you're going to make money. If the stock comes down, you're going to lose money. If the stock stays sideways, you're not going to lose anything. It will just be constant. But whereas in option, what happens is, if the stock moves sideways, you will still make money if you're an option seller. The reason because the time decay. To give you a pictorial representative, this gives a very good example of a premium decay. So this is a universal concept, that is law of gravitation. You all know that the sand which is in the top will come down with time to the bottom part. Simple thing, the top part is nothing but the option buyer. His value keeps on decreasing with time, and this is nothing but option seller. His profit increases with time. This is because of the time decay, nothing but the theta. So you would have seen that big people trading in options, they all say that I'm an option seller, I'm an option writer, I'm a writer, or I'm option seller. That's because they know that this is going to have an added advantage to their trade. So the probability of winning increases if you are doing the selling, because theta will reduce over time and you will be making money over time. I'll just give you an example. When I told about this probability, one of my friend who stays in Singapore, he is not born in India, he is born in Singapore and stays in Singapore, but his parents were from India. So recently, when I was just having a conversation with him, he was telling that he is very excited about the new IPL match which is going to come. So might be many of you are aware that India is the I think the president also announced that we are going to play IPL in the month of September in United Emirates, not in India but outside India. So then you all know that, for example, in my case, I stay in Bangalore, so I am always excited. I always would like that the cup comes to Bangalore, the Bangalore team wins the cup. Same way the person staying in Mumbai would expect the cup to go to Mumbai. The same way the person staying in Chennai expects the cup to come to Chennai. So the probability of winning is very, very small. Okay, so it can either in Bangalore can win or Chennai can win or Mumbai can win. Anything, any team can win. So it's very, very difficult to guess which team will win. But this guy who stays out of India in Singapore, he says that even if India goes and plays IPL in United Emirates or in Singapore or wherever, the cup is going to come back to India. And I love Indian cricket. I love people playing in India. I mean, all the cricketers in India. So I am happy to watch IPL because the cup is ultimately coming to India. It is very, very clear. So his probability is 100%, almost 100%. He is sure that the cup will come to India. But whereas me, my probability is very, very less that cup will come to my place, that is Bangalore. So if you are staying in Mumbai, your probability is very, very less that the cup will come to Mumbai. So I am talking about a concept called probability. Probability means the chances of winning. So the chances of my friend winning is 100%. He is 100% sure that the cup will come back to India. So whoever wins, nothing but the cup is coming back to India. Hope you got the concept. I'm not confusing you. Just to make you understand the theory of probability. So same with the case of option seller. You can be 100% confident that the premium will come down to zero. So when you're so very confident that the premium is going to come down to zero, then you can always do option selling. Even if your direction is wrong, even if your guesswork is wrong, your loss will not be as big as the way your stock might lose or your future might lose. Your theta, that is a time decay, will be in your favor and it is going to add an advantage to you. Provided conditions apply, there are many conditions for that as well. Okay. So that is one thing. The one thing which everyone says is that theta is good for sellers and bad for buyers. That is what I wanted to represent it by this example. So it is not that I'm discouraging options buying. Yes, option buying also is very good, but I somehow like option selling. Once you start trading, you will also understand yourself. Yes, so theta is good for sellers. It is in our side, and if at all you want to see a pictorial representation, this is what exactly the theta decay represents. Okay, so this y-axis is nothing but the time premium in option price, and the x-axis is nothing but the days remaining till expiration. So initially the time decay will be very, very slow, very, very slow, very, very slow. But when it moves towards the expiry, you can see very fast it will come down to zero. Ultimately, it is going down to zero. Just understand, slow time decay initially, you can see it is 90 days, 60 days, 30 days. But after it crosses 30 days, you can see it moves down quickly towards zero by the time it reaches expiration. I'll just explain to you with the actual values of the option premiums we have as of now. So I have taken the option chain available in NSE website, and I have taken Nifty data, and I'm just trying to take you the data of 6th August. Okay. So presently Nifty is 11,200. So let us come to the premiums. Yeah. So at 11,200, I'll just take example of the call side. You can see that the premium value LTP is 145. If I'm going to make it very simple to make you understand, if Nifty ends at 11,200 on the expiry day, that is on August 6th, if Nifty is 11,200, then this 145 will become 0. Are you getting my point? So what does it mean? It means that almost you have 145 rupees of premium decay available with you. I'll just show you the next week, 13th August. So by 13th August, you can see the premium value is 207 rupees. So by, if at all, by expiry, if the market closes at 11,200, this full 207 rupees is going to be yours. So you understood what I'm trying to tell you here. Without doing any work, if the market is stagnant, the profit is yours. So let us take the latest expiry. You will get a very clear understanding. You can see that 11,200, the premium value has become 56. If market closes tomorrow at the same price at 11,200, this 56 is going to become 0 and the full profit is yours. Okay, so you can see here all these are called as out of the money, that is above 11,200 everything is called as out of the money, and you can see almost everything has come down to 0. This is on the expiry which is going to expire tomorrow, that is on 30th, and these are all called as in the money. So out of the money everything is going to become 0. This is the advantage, this is the benefit, this is how people are earning lakhs and lakhs of rupees. You just have to guess where the market will close, and if the market goes above your strike prices, that is, if in case if it becomes OTM, that is out of the money, your premium is going to become 0. Got my point? Okay, I'll just give you one more example. 11,150. Say for example, you are taking the strike 11,150. The present value is 88 rupees, and from the Nifty value, that is Nifty presently, as you can see, is 11,200. Okay. So if at all the market closes at 11,150, this is going to close at 50 rupees. This LTP is going to close at 50 rupees. So the remaining 38 rupees is nothing but the theta. So that is going to be your theta decay. 38 rupees is going to get decayed, and that is going to be your profit. Okay, I don't want to confuse you. I'll just make you give you one more example. So let us take 11,100. 11,100 minus 11,200 is nothing but 100 rupees. But you can see the premium here is 127. So the remaining 27 rupees is nothing but the premium decay which you're going to get as profit. I think this is very much understandable now, at least. Let me give you one more example. 11,050. The difference between 11,050 and the 11,200, that is market price 11,200, is 150 rupees, but you can see the premium is 169. So the benefit is going to be 19 rupees. So this 19 rupees, or this extra premium which is available, that the premium is available, is what many people, option sellers, are eating, and it is an added advantage for people, those who are selling in options. Okay friends, so I just hope I had kept it very simple to you. I just wanted to make it very simple. I don't want to give you heavy examples and make it very complex. In simple, I wanted to make you understand that option buyers keep losing value over time, and option sellers start gaining this. You can see their pocket is getting filled. This is nothing but because of the theta decay, and it becomes 0 by end of the month. You would have seen me doing covered calls also, and I was always telling you that overnight, if we keep, the decay will reduce, the premium decay will be there, and we will be making money. The premium decay will happen and we'll be making money. This is the same concept which I was using. Also the strangle, which if at all you would have seen, I was making regularly profits. The reason, because the market was not moving up, or market was not moving sideways. The market was not moving down or up. The market was moving sideways, and the decay was happening, and I was making money. Okay, so it's a very huge topic, friends. I just wanted to give an initial taste or an initial understanding. You can take up courses, or you can study from Google. Many things are available. I would recommend Investopedia. It's a very good website. Don't have to subscribe anything in that. It's freely available. Go through Investopedia. You'll get lots and lots of details about option Greeks and all those things. But make sure you understand what is theta. It will really help you. Okay friends, so once again, hope you like this video, and in case if you feel any friend of yours who are learning options newly, please do share this video with them as well. Let them make use of this benefit. Let them understand the simple concepts in options as well. So going forward, we will learn many more things, don't worry. And as I told you, my main intention now is to promote you to learn options, because I'll tell you friends, it is always an added advantage of trading options. Okay, so once again, thank you and have a nice day.